Hi there. In this short video I will show you how to fill the midterm reports out for kids. First of all, you have to go to My Drive using Telecan Teachers. Then go in the option Share with Me Items. You will see this folder, Fall 2021 Scholar. Click on it and choose Kids Grades Chloe and Shivani. You will see two files. One is for 4 to 5 and the other one is for 5:30 to 6:30. Click on it and you will see an example. In the first tab there is one example, right? Remember, these midterm reports have to be in positive way. There are two columns, one of them is for strengths and the other one is for suggestions. These reports are given to the parents. If you click on different tabs, you will see different names for the students. When you finish these reports, please let us know when you have them done. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, you can ask me anytime.